Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about the transmission line. What is transmission line and where we are using the transmission line, in which purpose we are using the transmission line, and transmission line are made up of which material, that all are going to be discussed in this video. So please watch till the end of this video because this video is going to be very important. So first of all, let's see what is the transmission line actually. So transmission line is generally it is a link or a power carrier between two buses. Okay, so generally we are using this transmission line as a power carrier between two buses. Okay, so what is buses? So buses are generally treated as a node. Okay, so between two node the power will be carried through the transmission line. Okay, so that the work of transmission line is really to carry the power between two buses or two nodes. Okay, and transmission line are made of conducting material. Okay, so these are generally made up of conducting material. Why? Because without any conducting material, how we can deliver the electrical power from one point to another point? Because we need a transmission line which is made up of a conducting material. So transmission line is generally made up of aluminum, copper, and silver and gold. So these are the conducting materials, so by which we can carry the electrical power from one place to another place or from one bus to another bus. Okay,